Hey everybody! Today we're going to learn on how to prevent font changes on other computers by embedding fonts in PowerPoint. This instantly locks your unique typography files directly into the presentation document layout, ensuring your text styles and slide designs stay perfectly intact when opened on any other system core. First, open your presentation deck inside Microsoft PowerPoint. Look at the top left corner of the interface menu row and click on File. Look at the absolute bottom of the left-hand navigation sidebar panel and click directly on Options. A detailed configuration window will pop up on your screen. Click on the Save tab located near the top of the sidebar list. Scroll down through the Properties pane until you reach the absolute bottom section headed Preserve Fidelity when sharing this presentation. Locate the specific setting checkbox explicitly labeled Embed Fonts in the file. Click the tracking box to place a check mark inside it to activate the background font packaging engine. Directly underneath, select the first radio button choice labeled Embed only the characters used in the presentation if you want to keep your final file size small for fast email sharing. Alternatively, select the second choice layout labeled Embed all characters if other creators need to edit the text layers on their own computers using your custom typography style rules. Drop down to the bottom right of the main options layout window and click the OK button to lock your asset storage preferences into the document system. And that's it. Your locked-in typography asset projection slide configuration is now completely optimized and active. I hope it helps you in your current and future project. Thank you for watching.